tell you about some products. Every time I go into a family's home, I don't want to use products that I haven't used before. So I'm constantly testing out new products and, weeding out the bad ones, keeping the good ones. I've recently ordered a handful of things from Amazon, and I picked Amazon because pretty much anybody in the world can order the same thing. It's quick and easy, and you also are supporting small business. A lot of the products you buy are from small businesses on Amazon. So that being said, the product I want to show you today is something I selected to organize smaller clothing items. Here, let me flip around here and show you a fabric organization drawer that actually hooks on to a shelf. So if you have it in your closet, some kind of shelf you can hook onto, which I do in this closet. And then you can see that this has already built-in dividers. There are 24 little pockets in this drawer. And this package actually came with 2 drawers, one with dividers and one without. I am going to organize some tank tops. Probably more than 24 tank tops here. But do you really need more than 24? Not quite sure. But that's what we're going to do today. We're going to purge and organize and figure this one out and see how it works.